I love dessert, and don't we all? Hi. So I wanted to find some alternatives to my typical ice cream, sorbet, anything bad dessert, and kind of like tone it down and still feel satisfied. So I found this awesome chocolate hummus from Trader Joe's. Look at that. This hummus for 2 tablespoons, which is a serving size, 50 calories. Total fat, 1.5 grams. You cannot beat that. I mean, sugar, there is some sugar in here. It's cane sugar, but the total carbs is 9 grams of carb. It is low in sodium. It's chickpeas with cocoa. What's not to like? So I bought this from Trader Joe's and I wasn't sure how to serve it. So I looked online, on YouTube of course, and there was so many options, but the one I thought was the best was on rice cakes. Cause like a rice cake is 50 calories. 2 tablespoons of this on a rice cake, 100 calories. You can't beat that. I don't have any rice cakes right now. We're gonna head to the store, pick up some rice cakes, and let's try this together, because I know you wanna try this with me. I know you do, right? I know you wanna try this. It's gonna be good. Let's go get some rice cakes. It was raining outside, but it's not now. I'm so excited to taste this hummus. I'm going in the rain to get these rice cakes. Let's find the rice cakes. There are a ton of crackers, but no rice cakes. No popcorn, at least not that kind, no. All of these snacks, and they're all the way down at the bottom, way back there, were these. I literally had to go find somebody to find these. Let's get some kombucha, just for good measure. Thank you. Okay, I'm back with my rice cakes. My organic whole grain brown rice cakes. Now, one of these cakes is 70 calories. I know the regular rice cakes, one cake is 50 calories, but I guess because it's organic brown rice. And can I just say that I got 2 things. I got these rice cakes and some kombucha, for good measure. So let's get started. Get my hummus. So let's see. So 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. I'm measuring out 2 tablespoons because I want every ounce of my 2 tablespoons. And 70 calories for 1 rice cake. So let's see how big. These rice cakes, I guess it's the standard size, not too small. Whatever. All right, let me get me a tablespoon. I need to put it in an actual tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon, right? Okay. My knife. Yum, 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 yum. There's my 1 tablespoon. Actually, 1 tablespoon fills up this rice cake. Look. So 1 tablespoon pretty much fills up this whole rice cake. Look at that. So, I mean, that's 1 tablespoon. You don't need to. So that's 25 calories, 70 calories for the rice cake. That's good. It's got a nutty flavor. You can really taste the chocolate. It's kind of sweet. I highly recommend. You're going to need something to drink with this. It's kind of dry. So have a big cup of water or some kombucha. I got the Pink Lady Apple kombucha. This is one bottle. This entire bottle is only 70 calories. Like, you can't beat that. 70 calories for this entire bottle. And I'll probably just drink like maybe a third of this bottle. So that would be probably like 20, 25 calories. Not bad. So I highly recommend this hummus. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my snack. Hope you enjoy the rest of your week. And like and subscribe if you like this video. Let me know if you want me to try out anything else and I'll taste test it for you. Let's see. Okay, have a good week. Bye.